To my channel and welcome back to a new vlog. Today is Thursday, July the 6th. I have a lot of admin work to do. I have a lot of editing to do, so a lot of personal things I have to sort out, and I feel like I want to leave my space and go somewhere else to just, you know, work for today. I'm gonna go to a coffee shop. I think I showed you guys this coffee shop in my last vlog. I need to go to my NP's office. I need to book an appointment with her, just do like my yearly checkup and also do like my yearly blood work, because it's been a while I did that, so I just want to just make sure everything is okay. Then when I come back, make sure the video for this week is ready for upload, because I collaborated with a brand, so I've sent the review already to the brand and they've, like, you know, accepted, and I just need to make like some changes to the video before it goes live. I have to check on my loved ones, like I have to call so many people. So when I get back home, I'm going to do that. Yeah, then on Saturday is like Nadia's, I wouldn't really say it's a bridal shower, but because the wedding is not going to hold in Canada, a few of like her church members and, you know, friends just want to do something small here to just celebrate her before she goes. I also have like some graduation ceremony I need to attend as well, so I'm just gonna be taking you guys with me, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna pack my bag now and we're gonna head out to the coffee shop. Hi. So I'd like to book an appointment. Yeah, sounds good. Have a good one.
My mind is for you, but you see me no be that guy, boy. So you know I don't fall for you. I keep loving you. You got me feeling blue. So you know I don't fall for you.
Thank you.
So for me, where else would I rather be? If not with you, there is no inner peace.
Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head. From the past to future play, more change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adaptable. unpredictable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. It's safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. The balance between problem solving and the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need, but to actualize it I can't doubt, no doubt. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity. I choose peace and I'll forever and always be present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped.
Hey baby.
I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off, cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side, boo. Call my homegirl, tell your best friend, cause I too on the road. Almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off, cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on.
Hey guys, today is Nadia's mini wedding celebration event-ish that I told you guys about at the start of the vlog. So it's currently 4:35. I said it starts by 4, but I know that it's going to start by 5 o'clock. And so I'm going to go help to like finish up the decor of the place first before the event like officially start, which by 5. Yeah. Oh my god. Do you want to say hi? Yeah, I'm also a YouTuber. Oh really? What's your name on YouTube? Yeah. Nice to meet you.
And my friends are like, you make stand-up day look so
It's the same. Yeah.
Thank you, baby. We're not going to temperature.
It looks so different. I'm so excited. I'm now getting excited.
Yeah.
Nadia was like, oh, I wish I didn't have to go to work today. She's like, she wanted to be there.
Oh my goodness. You look so beautiful.
With you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am.
He looks stunning. Oh my goodness. Congratulations, girl. You're welcome.
Over and over again, yeah, my love is burning, babe. Feels like time
Hey guys, what's good? So I just got back home now from the nail salon. This is it. And I also did my toes as well. So I did French. I always go for French, guys. Always. Some things came in for the workspace and for the sitting room for the apartment. Just wanted to show you guys, but I also want to film a video for TikTok as well. So I don't know how I'm going to do this. I already know I'm going to do it, but I'm just going to find a way to make it work. Let's start with unboxing what we got.
In your arms, without falling to your feet. But there's a side.
I got a standing lamp. So the standing lamp is going to be right here. These stuff are just pillows, like throw pillows for the couch. Or I'll have to go put them in the dryer so that they can fluff up a bit. It is actually really big ones, so
Watch it burn as I touch your face. When it burn, while I cry, 'cause I heard it scream.
let's see if it passes the test. Nice, beautiful. When I was trying to figure out like what really creates those really nice pillows you see that have this kind of shape is always buying the throw pillow in a smaller size than the throw cover. So the throw pillow was in the size 22 inches to 22 by 22 inches. Then the throw cover was 24 inches. It's a bit bigger, so it leaves room for that effect to happen. So yeah, just a tip for y'all.
There's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true in the game.
Okay guys, so this is what the couch looks like with the throw pillows on. Love it so much. So I'm finally done with everything for today. I just had like a problem. I found that the bulb for the lamp broke. I don't get a bit fragile, to be honest. Like the lamp is beautiful, but the bulbs are just too fragile. So I'm like, this is not good. I sent the seller a message, so hopefully like they get back to me with something positive, because they have to. Let me show you guys what it looks like right now. Okay, there's gonna be something here, so this will not be a problem at some point. I really like it. I didn't really change much, just the rug. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because it's gone on for a stretch and I need to shoot content again tomorrow, like different content. So I just want to make sure that I close this vlog and I close it well before I start that one, so they don't like, you know, mix into each other and everything just starts getting chaotic. I don't want any of that. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.
Me and my people don't they concern. Make we they understand waiting this up. I don't be one of those men with the fear to fuck.